All right, looking forward to those highlights, AC. This weekend, plenty of sunshine, and our warming trend will begin on Sunday. Sunday, we're getting into the mid-50s. We have multiple days that will be challenging 70 degrees next week. There is a more potent system to watch by next weekend. We'll dive into those details in a second here, but gorgeous look downtown, 32 degrees. We have a few passing clouds, winds out of the north-northwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Those clouds are going to be clearing pretty quickly for this morning. Satellite picture showing stratus deck off to our south and east. It's tough to see on our satellite picture, but we do have a couple clouds drifting through the metro area. Again, pretty short-lived. With a north-northwest wind, we're expecting those skies to clear out and then lots of sunshine for today. Current look at Storm Tracker. High pressure system is moving in, and that's going to create a quiet forecast through the next couple days. Cold front off to our south and east. Today, daybreak time of 7:07 and temperatures into the mid-40s through the afternoon. Lots of sunshine expected for today. Average high for this time of year is 49 degrees. Be at 46 for the high, 48 in Columbus, 43 in Muncie, and 42 in South Bend. Tonight into the lower 30s, near the freezing mark, basically statewide, 31 here in Indianapolis. Remember to spring forward those clocks. Today, I mentioned the daybreak time at 7:07, sunset at 6:45, and then for tomorrow, our sunrise at 8:06, sunset at 7:46. Tomorrow's just as good, except our temperature is a few degrees warmer, and that all has to do with the wind direction. Out of the west at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Eventually, this wind direction will be more south and west going into this week, which allows our temperatures to climb even further. But nonetheless, we're getting into the mid-50s for highs tomorrow. 56 here in Indy, 57 in Columbus, 58 in Bloomington, and 54 in Kokomo. So solid forecast for tomorrow. Last time we had temperatures make it to 70 degrees, November 6th. Our first 70 last year was February 26th. It was pretty early on in the year. Well, looking ahead to our forecast, we're going to be close multiple days, Tuesday and Wednesday, and really Thursday, upper 60s. I'd say beyond Thursday, Friday, we'll get into the lower 70s, but it will be a close call for some of these days. The best part about our forecast is it's pretty dry all the way up until the end of the work week. Something else to put on your calendar for next week, March 14th in the early morning hours, we're going to have a total lunar eclipse. This is actually much more common than the total solar eclipse we had last year. But you'll be able to see a reddish moon, reddish-orange moon in the early morning hours, 2:26 a.m. to 3:31. Again, that is Friday, March 14th. Going forward, this is the next strong storm system to watch. It is going to be a potent low, potentially with a sea level pressure down to 980 millibars. Way too early to tell if this is going to be more of a heavy rain threat, a storm threat to our area. We are expecting windy conditions by next weekend. And this is just one forecasted model, which has storms in our area or heavy rain by the time we're getting into Saturday. We have a couple other forecast models which have this storm system move in a bit earlier Friday night into the early morning on Saturday. So something to just watch generally in our forecast pattern, because otherwise it is very quiet. Sunny days from now all the way through really Tuesday, lots of sunshine. Wednesday, partly cloudy skies. Smaller chance of rain on Thursday. And that Friday rain and storm chance, that would be later on in the day, potentially having to do with that potent lows and temperatures by then getting into the lower 70s.